Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got an Easter manicure for 2023. I'll be using Moonshine Mani. It's corn. So pretty. Can't wait to share. And KADS Stamping Plate Festival 001. I've already got on IMK Peel Ease. And here is Moonshine Mani. It's corn. So pretty. Here we go with our first coat. It's going to be an easy, considering how much glitter's in it, I'm blown away with how well the formula works. There we go, one coat, and here we go with the second coat. It's so pretty. I love those little glitters in it. This is such a spring polish, and for me it screamed Easter. Now I'm going to top this with American Classics Jealous. This is a great top coat for using if you've got chunky, bumpy glitters. And once that's totally dry, I'll be using I&M's Out the Door. This is a glossy, fast-drying top coat. You can get this to dry down so we can do some stamping. You can keep it pretty simple today, just some straight-up stamping. Cap that free edge real quick. Hi Woody, how you doing? There is a swatch photo of It's Corn. Here is KADS Festival 001. Gonna get the blue film off of it, and it's really sticky. Really sticky. And I'm gonna clean it with some acetone. And then we're going to clean it some more with some acetone and run over with a lint-free wipe. Get it to, work out really nice and get clean. I'll be using Basis Loaded Lacquer on the black to stamp with, my Le Corsador scraper, and a cube stamper from Maniology. So we're just going to plop some of these images onto the nails today. We're going to keep it pretty simple, no advanced stamping, just going to straight up stamp. Oh, that image picked up great. I'm going to use a little piece of tape to remove the excess image that I don't want. Of course, it wouldn't have gotten on my nail anyway, probably, but anyhow. Oh, how pretty. How cute. We're going to carry on. I'll clean the plate here in just a little bit. I'm using different images, so I don't really feel the need to stop and clean it every time. And again, we're going to get that little piece of tape out. I don't know why I was so worried about that because, it's not like I have a long nail and would have had to worry about that. And these are barely fitting on my fingernails. They're very short. It's okay though. I call it new beginnings when they're short. New beginnings, yay. Sorry, I'm out of frame, or the stamping plate's out of frame there. And then we're going to give it a scrape, and then pick that image up, and do some more cleanup. I did need to clean this one up because I got a little bit above the image and below it, so you can't win them all. And there we go. Oh, these are so cute, little bunnies and Easter eggs. Love it. I'm going to turn this plate around. It's got like some hanging ornament eggs, and I'm going to use a couple of pieces of this image for the other two nails. I just think these are so cute. They would have really looked good doing some advanced stamping and filling them in, but since the base polish had so much going on, I just decided to regular stamp. I didn't want to have it being looking too crazy up on my manicure. Alrighty, well here we go. We're going to continue on and get these images on the nails and get this manicure to did. We're almost there. Like I said, I stamped on all of them, and we're just gonna, love on it and give it some, Easter love. There we go. Alrighty, so now that that part's done, I'm gonna use my acetone and clean this stamping plate up. I cleaned up my stamping plate, my scraper card, my little mat, my big mat. Anywhere that I've gotten polish while I was playing, I try to get it all cleaned up before I move on. I like to put my stuff away clean. That way when I want to use it next time, it's ready to go, ready to play. And I'll wrap this up here. And there we go. Alright, so I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and do some cleaning up around wherever I can. You know, sometimes it comes off easy, sometimes not so much. But we use tape where we can to get the excess up. And then we go in with a cleanup brush with some acetone and do the final tidying up. You know, get up under the nail or around the edges, wherever the tape didn't get. And it always seems to work pretty good that way. I like to do my cleanup as I go instead of wait until the end. I know some people just do all of it and just do all the cleanup at the end, but I just can't let myself do that. I don't know. I guess it's however you start doing it, that's how you're used to doing it. Yep. That is how we do it. So I am going to top these with the Maniology smudge-free top coat. And once that is dry, which dries really quick, once that's dry, we'll be using our glossy top coat. And this one is Posh. It is a fast-drying top coat. It's glossy. Got the glossy thing going on. And finish these off. And I really did love how this one turned out. I thought it was really cute. Really enjoyed it. And here comes my swatch photo. I do hope you enjoyed this one today. And as always, I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.